Hey everyone, it's Ashley, independent Scentsy consultant. Today I am doing an unboxing of this massive box. It's so heavy. It's extremely big. So this is the Scentsy starter kit that I'm going to be unboxing today. And as you can see, I had to get on the floor. Like, it's massive. Hopefully I'm gonna really show you guys. So it's so big. So let's get into it. I've only just like opened it, just like what I've done with you guys. I semi know what's in here, but not entirely. So it's just so big. Okay, so you get, of course, this nice welcome pack. Don't know where I'm gonna put all this stuff. Okay, this crinkling. You get this nice bag, which is like, would you call this laminated? Insulated? Laminated. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it's nice and cool in this bag because it's really chilly outside. Make it so everything doesn't melt if you're going somewhere hot, and it has some nice like outside pockets as well, which I do appreciate. Very nice, and it's zippered on top, which is lovely. Don't know where I'm gonna put this stuff. Okay. Oh my word. Okay. So, just starting right on top, we have a bar in black raspberry vanilla. Never tried this before. Honestly, smells like black raspberry vanilla. This is coming out so easily because it was so cold on the UPS truck. Really just smells like black raspberry vanilla. I've heard this is a really, really good one. So I'm excited for that. Also, right on top is the washer whiffs in Amazon Rain. If these weren't totally enclosed, wait. Oh, I was nervous I wasn't gonna be able to open them. Uh-oh. Ooh, those smell really good. I feel like there's a scooper in here, but it's buried. Those are really good smelling. I'm excited to try those. I haven't tried these yet at all, so I'm very excited about those. I'm gonna have to go digging if there's really a scooper in this little bucket. Okay, let's get into all kinds of like, there's stuff in like packages everywhere. So this is a bag of samples, but what are they? It's a whole bag. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, this is the body care stuff. So this is like lotion in shimmer. Let's pull out some other stuff. Okay, we got like Luna hand soap, shimmer body cream, shimmer hand soap, shimmer hand cream, Go-Go Mango lotion, Go-Go Mango hand cream. Just for example, haven't tried any of these things either, so I'm excited about that. And some of those scents I haven't tried either. Okay, this is laundry. Ooh, I love the laundry. I don't know why. Okay. Amazon Rain washer whiffs, which is what the tub was. Scent Soft laundry liquid, more washer whiffs. Shimmer. Luna. Excited about that. Is there one more maybe? Clothesline. And then there's like, yeah, the laundry liquid and the Scent Soft and the washer whiffs, yeah. Okay, that's in this bag. Glad they have them all separated because just so I know. We also have a little bag for like samples to put in. and they're logoed. We have a Luna scent circle. I've had a Luna scent circle before. Absolutely amazing. Love it so much. We have this Susie the Sloth Buddy Clip scented Go-Go Mango. I have to open this. Ooh, isn't she cute? This would be so cute on like a backpack or something. I like it, I like it. I don't have any backpacks to put that on, but I'm gonna keep it right here in this container. Okay, here are some little felt shapes, which you could use with these bags. Cute. And then these, I believe, are, I was gonna say grocery bags, but like bags that you could like package stuff up in, you know, like you would at the grocery store. Okay, we got some like thick stuff here. Okay, these are order forms. Yeah, some of this is obviously like business material to get you started. So this is like, it says some things are meant to be experienced. I think these are either like home party invitations, maybe, I want to say. Oh yeah, because these are thank you cards. So I think these ones are maybe invites and these are thank yous. I think there's like 100 in here. This looks pretty thick. This is the product listing. Pretty sure this is front and back, and maybe 50 of them. So these are kind of flimsy. They're so long. They're definitely like a are they quite a legal sheet of paper? Oh gosh, okay. Because this is like the regular catalogs. Regular catalogs. This. And these aren't, I don't know if this is quite a legal sheet. It doesn't seem like it's quite that long, but it could be. So, interesting. Oh yeah, so here's a big block of the catalogs. I think this is 25 fall winter catalogs. Okay, this just keeps going and going. Okay, these are all kinds of brochures. So this is the, I think this is talking about like all of the fragrance systems. So like warmers, fan diffusers, fan diffusers and regular diffusers, pet products. This is, oh my goodness, clean product brochures, like the cleaning lines, laundry and body. So there's a lot of those. Okay, I gotta keep those together because those are all kind of in the same realm. I'm running out of space. Okay. Also a hand cream in sea salt and avocado. Gonna have to let this warm up because this is cold. It's 2.7 fluid ounces. It has a seal thing on it. Otherwise I would have used it. I will try this out because I've heard really good things about it. And don't know about the samples. Maybe I'll try some of the samples as well. Okay, we got some more brochures. This is the Join brochures. I'm pretty positive, so I'm gonna put these with the other ones. We have a fragrance flower. Wow, can you tell I've never had one of these? Where does it tell you what scent it is? Okay, hold on. What? How? Am I crazy? Should it not tell you what scent it's in? Maybe it's supposed to be a surprise. It's in sea salt and avocado. It tells you on the inside. I'm pretty sure if you buy one like regularly, it tells you on the outside. And it gives you some good instructions for these because I've never tried these before. But basically, it's like a oil, and then you like put the flower in, and it's scented. It's like a reed diffuser, but the reed's a flower instead. It's pretty. And then they give you like a silver to make it prettier, so it's not. Yeah, I'm excited to use that because I've never tried that before. Okay. Last two things. We have the classic satin black, the classic curve, I believe this is called, in the black. I'm excited about this. It's such a plain Jane, but here's the deal. Look at how big this dish is. Like, this is the size of my head, and this is the size of the dish. This is a Mongo dish. This is so big. It says 4 cubes is like the max. I don't know, it says 4 on the bottom. I know a lot of people are like, does that mean max or does that mean recommended? I don't know, because it's a big debate and no one really knows the answer. I mean, I wouldn't put over 4, that's for sure. I don't even know if I would do 4 total. Maybe in this one, just because it's so big. And then, okay, I'll just put this back in here. And then, the most exciting thing is this bag right here. So, this is a bag with all of the testers. I'm so excited to go through all of these. So, yes, I'm so pumped. So yes, this is definitely the most exciting. So, this is a ton of stuff. I can't believe this was all in this box because it seems like so much stuff spread out everywhere. It's like all around me. But yeah, I'm really excited. I will leave my link down below if you want to check anything out, or just comment if you have any questions. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.